Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you, this is the Canadian-built Fortress Phantom metal detector. This particular one was mounted on a large column, probably for a powder filler. Material passed through the center. It's a drop-through design. We have some of our own test wands we've made up here. This is a 316 stainless steel sample. And the detector is set up so that once it sees metal, which you saw right there, it calls for a reset. There's a signaling cable on it, so we don't have the original manual. You'll see the detector does see, calls for a reset, and then you can test it again. You'll see the detector just pin. Goes all the way to the end. So they didn't want they wanted someone to come over inspecting when there was a metal detection. Here's another sample. This is a 316 stainless.
Reset.
We've used steel and stainless on this test. Working very well. This is a signaling cable, we believe. We don't have the original manual yet for it. We're working on that. But it's one of many metal detectors in our stock, as well as everything in process and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.